What up, guys? It's here, back with another video, and we on our road trip. Say road trip.
Road trip.
We're stuck in traffic, as you can see. Stuck in traffic. Stuck in traffic. Stuck in traffic. So. No. So. I'll pick it back up if we see anything, right? Whoa. That's crazy.
Someone got injured.
Wow. See that, y'all?
How long have we been on the road?
I sit in that traffic 30 minutes.
So, see, I picked it up. So, everybody, we have arrived after we left like at what time? We left like 6.
Extra lane.
So we finally
You extra
arrived
lane.
to our hotel.
You trying to make a YouTube video that ain't nobody gonna watch.
Monty, I hope you know you got 6 subscribers. I can put you on hush mode.
I can put you on hush mode.
But I'm not
Alright, everybody, Mayana Obelisk, if you do that, Godfather's gonna be very upset with you because I'm gonna tell him you did it.
You a snitch.
She only have 0 subscribers. Trying to come at somebody else.
You only got 6.
Oh well.
You got 6.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe, and
Once we get in the hotel, he gonna start making.
I'm making another vlog. So deuces.